This is Perseverance of Culture. As you can see, we have our cheese from the cucumber line. We have our Dagomba Cheese Festival 2026. Whether you like it or yes, we live in our TVs at Lagos City Mall. I like this one. Fugu hat at the back. If you put it on the right, then you are somebody of stature in society and you have a certain level of control and dignity. Now, if you bring it forward, it means you are somebody who is progressing, who is showing certain level of maturity and also in society. Now, if you fold it or you leave it standing, it means you are saying that you are so powerful and that the only person above you is the Supreme Lord or the Supreme Being. And so, whichever way you project it or whichever way you wear it, it signifies a certain meaning. And I believe it is important we document it and we solidify it so that those of us who are coming after us, they will know what it means and they wear it and they wear it well. Now you notice that I am wearing the same fugu with the same hat. There are particular groups in this country who do that, and those are the Gongers. Now when you go to Gabon and the Dagomba areas, you notice that they don't normally wear the same fabric as the fugu and also the S.K.M. They normally distinguish between the fabric of the fugu and also the fabric of the S.K.M. There are meanings to it, and I believe some of our members here will give us the meaning to that. As I said, we are generating conversation around the fugu. Now you see a particular type of fugu where we have talisman, amulet, and others in. For the Ashantis, we call it batakari. Those were the batakaris and the fugus that we use when we were going to war. And anytime you see us wearing that, then you notice that we are in a very difficult situation and that we exhibit our seriousness in the way we wear it. You also see that most of our spiritualists, those who have spiritual practice and those who are into spiritualism, they also wear a type of fugu. Again, you see them with some amulet, talisman, and other things embroidered into the cloth they are wearing. What I'm trying to say is that fugu is not a blouse. It is our culture. The way you see me wearing it or the way you see another person wearing it, be it the cloth, be it the cap, how it is folded, it conveys a particular meaning. Now we are here today to put the cloth. But if we want this cloth to go far and also to be recognized as part of the UNESCO heritage fabrics.
That is why you and I are here to witness the northern excellence, the northern culture. And appreciate the pride of So guys, if you're still enjoying the section, we're bringing down the budget down so we can have a greater crowd. dance with Zeb. Momo Zeb Kakra. That was amazing. Oh, we have another joining us for this amazing ceremony.